So guys, good afternoon from here. So it's the next day, and then this telly guy is already here. So he want to fix the telly. Anyway, they just adjust it that. So they want to start fixing that. No. So that one is the first. Look at that over there. So this one, so now we are not going to use this one anymore. I think that one is going to go to the room as a bedroom. So we want to put this one. This one is 50 inches, guys. So this is 50 inches. Yeah, let's see. We haven't used 50 inches before. So let's see how it goes. So when we go there yesterday, it was so beautiful. And this one will not even come pick us to carry again. So come on, carry this one. Alright. Let's see him piece it, guys. So we are getting the house set, guys. We are getting everywhere set. He advised us to take this, guys. Say when we use this one, that we can easily be rotating the television instead of us to just hang it on the wall. So for this one now, we can easily rotate it, like turn the television to any side, like anywhere, like anywhere you want. Like you can easily be rotating. So that kind of thing, that's what he's saying. So that is what the guy tried to explain for us, that if we take this one, it's more better than normally keeping it on the wall like that. So yeah, let's watch him fix it. Getting ready. Ask him where we are going to put it.
You move to this angle, this
Okay. Amanda, come for it. So yeah, search the big kitchen on car. But sugar one, you check go tell you for Honda. Which have to come out these papers? On la come out. I like all these papers. Can I? Uta samosa mas. Yeah, the big one player at what? Look at that! You. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Lady B is on the telly cooking. Cooking. That's so yummy. Oh my gosh! Okay now. Okay, recipe queen of recipe. That's so. Okay, guys, we are here. Okay, it's looking yummy. Anyway, this one does set. Huh? This no see. Full remove. Okay.
If you are new to this extent, you haven't shared this with you, but to follow this process to make this
oh my god.
for yourself.
It's
You are going
nice
to
now.
come out as perfect as you can. See how God does.